Yang 100K na yan, pag-iisipan mong mabuti. Pwede kasi yung mag-grow. Pwede yung magbigay sa'yo ng additional money. Pwede mong pang seed money for business. Pwede mong gamitin din yan for your personal growth. So, marami tayong pwedeng gawin if you will just be operating or deciding based on high-level mentality. Okay, Gilibers, sa atin po lahat, isang payo ni Rockstar, be smart for the next, yes, yung mga susunod na taon, 2025, 2026, 2027, dapat smart na tayo. Okay? So, first, na-realize mo ba na may mga taon na nagsayang tayo eh? Merong 3 years of our life na sinayang natin. Merong 3 years na nagwaldas tayo ng pera. Merong 3 years na we missed the opportunity to be promoted. Merong 3 years na pinabayaan natin yung negosyo natin. Merong 3 years na napabayaan natin sarili natin. Maybe, nalulung pa nga tayo sa bisyo or nag-try tayo ng hindi magagandang bagay. Meron ding 3 years na natukso tayo, gumawa tayo ng mali, gumawa tayo ng kasalanan. Or merong 3 years na naging stagnant yung buhay natin. Or merong 3 years na wala tayong inisip kundi sarili natin. Sobrang naging makasarili natin. So in other words, we wasted once in our life ng 3 years. So this time around, bumawi tayo ng 3 years. For the next 3 years, dapat smart ang mga moves natin. Okay? So, be smart for the next 3 years. Now, second, why 3 years, Doc? Bakit 3 years ang kailangan? Hindi ba pwedeng for the next 3 months? Or for the next 6 months? Or for the next 1 year? I'll be smart? Bakit kailangang 3 years ang pagiging smart natin? Because 3 years is enough to build something. If you want to build something, enough na in 3 years. Nakapagsimula ka na, may progress na dyan. And 3 years is enough to start your investment portfolio. Ibig sabihin po, meron ka ng may establish na 1, 2, o 3 investment in 3 years. And in 3 years, kaya nang bumawi ng katawan natin. Makakabawi ka na sa pamagitan ng pag-exercise, pag-gym, meron na yung results in 3 years. And in 3 years, kaya mo nang ma-rebuild ang relationship mo with your family. Kaya mo nang bumawi sa family mo. So, napakahalaga po ng 3 years. Kaya sabi ko, for the next 3 years. Okay? So, paano natin gagawin? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng smart? Pero bago yan, magkape muna tayo. Kape po tayo, Gilibers. And we are inviting you to attend our free webinar. Meron po akong free webinar under IMG, under Rockstar Seminar and Coaching. So, pili ka lang po na schedule. PM mo ako sa personal FB ko para mas matulungan ka namin on how to move smart for the next 3 years. Alright? Okay, so first, ang ibig sabihin po ng smart, you have intelligence and wisdom. Okay? Dapat meron tayong wisdom. So, paano ba natin malalaman na meron tayong wisdom and intelligence sa buhay natin for the next 3 years? So, you are operating on high-level mentality. High-level mentality. Hindi low-level mentality. So, ano po ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin po, bawat decision natin nakabase sa high-level mentality. Example, meron kang 100K na naipon. Kung mag-ooperate ka on low-level mentality, gagastusin mo lang 100K na yan. Ibibili mo ng branded na damit. Ibibigili mo ng branded na bag. Or maybe, ipantra-travel mo lang o gagastusin mo with your friends. But if you are operating or living on high-level mentality, yung 100K na yan, pag-iisipan mong mabuti. Pwede kasi yung mag-grow. Pwede yung magbigay sa'yo ng additional money. Pwede mong pang seed money for business. Pwede mong gamitin din yan for your personal growth. Pwede mo rin yan pang-improve ng iyong mga assets. Pwede mo yan gamitin sa family mo para matupad ang mga pangarap nyo. So, marami tayong pwedeng gawin if you will just be operating or deciding based on high-level mentality. Okay? So, this time, for the next 3 years, ganun dapat ang decision making mo. Hindi low-level mentality. Another example, ang mga emotions natin. Pag nasa high-level mentality ka, ang emotions mo matatag ka. So, hindi ka nagdi-decision based on galit at lalong hindi galit ka lagi. Okay? So, dapat mataas ang level of understanding mo. You understand people. You accommodate people. So, nagdi-decide ka based on facts, based on the real situations that are presented sa'yo. Okay? So, for the next 3 years, dapat meron kang wisdom and intelligence. And second, for the next 3 years, you focus on your personal growth. So, dapat pag-isipan mo mabuti, paano ba ako mag-grow as a person? Kasi baka hindi ka na nag-grow. Baka kung paano ka mag-isip nung college ka hanggang ngayon, ganyan ka pa rin mag-isip. Baka kung ano yung mga decisions mo, baka kung paano ka mag-decide nung college ka, ganyan ka pa rin mag-decide hanggang ngayon. So, dapat meron tayong personal growth. Nag-grow din tayo. Nagmamature ka din as a person. So, you read, attend seminar. So, mahalaga po yung mga yan. And third, ito po. Be intentional rather than wasting things. Dapat intentional ka na. Ibig sabihin po, dapat ikaw na talaga yung naghahanap ng way para ka makaipon. Ikaw na talaga yung naghahanap ng paraan para ka makapag-invest. Hindi mo hintayin yung advice ng kaibigan mo kung kailan ka mag-iipon. Hindi mo hintayin ang advice ng mga tao sa paligid mo bago ka mag-invest. Be intentional. Ikaw mismo, umahanap ka na ng paraan ngayon kung paano ka yayaman. Hindi mo hintayin yung boss mo kung kailan madadagdagan ang income mo. Ikaw mismo, intentional ka. You find ways how to increase your income. Alright? So, for the next 3 years, G-Leavers, dapat smart ang mga moves natin. Let's go, let's go. Kape po tayo, kape po.